A chiller system is a type of cooling system widely used in commercial, industrial, and residential applications to remove heat from a liquid, typically water, and provide chilled water for air conditioning or other cooling purposes. How does a chiller work? A chiller operates based on the refrigeration cycle, which involves the transfer of heat through a refrigerant. The process consists of four main stages. Compression. Compressor. The cycle begins with the compressor, which compresses the refrigerant gas, increasing its pressure and temperature. This high-pressure, high-temperature refrigerant is then sent to the condenser. 2. Condensation. Condenser. In the condenser, the refrigerant releases the heat it absorbed earlier. The heat is either transferred to the air in air-cooled chillers or to water in water-cooled chillers. As the refrigerant loses heat, it changes from a gas to a liquid. 3. Expansion. Expansion valve. The liquid refrigerant then passes through an expansion valve. This valve reduces the refrigerant's pressure and temperature, making it ready to absorb heat in the next stage. 4. Evaporation. Evaporator. The refrigerant enters the evaporator, where it absorbs heat from the liquid, usually water, that needs to be cooled. As the refrigerant absorbs this heat, it evaporates and turns back into a gas. The chilled liquid is then circulated through a building or system to provide cooling. The cycle is repeated continuously to maintain the desired cooling. Components of a chiller system. A chiller system comprises several essential components that work together to achieve cooling. Compressor. Compresses the refrigerant and initiates the cooling cycle. Decondenser. Releases the heat absorbed by the refrigerant. Air-cooled chillers use fans to dissipate heat into the air. Water-cooled chillers use water and cooling towers to remove heat. The expansion valve reduces the pressure and temperature of the refrigerant. Evaporator transfers heat from the liquid being cooled to the refrigerant. Pumps and pipes circulate the chilled water to the required locations. Cooling towers for water-cooled chillers help dissipate heat from the condenser water. In summary, our chiller system plays a crucial role in modern cooling needs. Whether it's keeping a building comfortable or maintaining precise temperatures in industrial processes, chillers are essential for efficient and reliable cooling.